Welcome back. In this lecture, we will write the blueprint for our character sprint. So for this, click on project setting, select input, and from again action mapping, name it sprint, and select the key for this right shift. As we are using the up and down key, so the nearest key is right shift key. So again here, go to character, first person character. If you do not how to go there, just select blueprint, double click on this, and you will go here. From here, right click, type sprint action event, and here you can see we will use. So from here, just drag and create a timeline, add timeline, and name it sprint underscore timeline. So why we are using the timeline? As our character will start sprinting from either idle state or from walking state. So from here, just press play, and when release key, it will to go to reverse. But this function will not implemented yet. So compile, save. If I press play, here you can see our character is moving at normal speed. For demonstration, just select the character. So before this, delete this as we do not need this, and select the player, and from here you can see, just go to character walking, and if I increase the speed to 1400, and if I press compile, save, now play, here you can see our character is moving fastly. Again, select the character and set the walking value to 600 default. So we want to write the blueprint that will change the value from 600 to 1400. So for this, just drag character movement and just double click on sprint, and it will open graph and create a float track and name it sprint. Perfect. And if I press zoom mouse wheel, it is going to zoom in, zoom out, and right mouse key we can drag it here. So first of all, this is the length of frame. So I convert the length to 0.5, just 0.5, and just zoom in, and now I'm going to place a keyframe. Hold down shift, press left mouse key, and also again. Now select the first frame. As you can see, our character will be, if it is in walking state, that will be frame 0, and you can see the default value of walking is 600. Press enter. Now select the second keyframe, and you can see our character is walking and we want to sprint, and that will be the time 0.5, and the value which we want to change is 1400. Perfect. Just click on this, and this you can see our character from at 0 frame, default value walking speed is 600, and when we press the sprint key, it will. Now press shift, save, go to event graph, and from here search for set max walk walking speed. For sensitive, just uncheck this and set max walk speed. Perfect. Select the target and update the here and maximum walk speed to here. Now before closing this, just go to time graph, and from here we set the values, double check. Now compile it, save, and now go to event graph, press play. Just see, now when I press the shift key, our character is moving fast. Just again press the, if we want to check that our value is working or not, from here I am going to create print a string, and from just here to here, compile it, save it, now run. As when I press shift, you can see our value go to 40, and we leave it again to 600. Perfect. Now just select all these and press C and name it character sprint. Perfect. Again compile it, save it. That's it for this lecture. In next lecture we will see the, just you can see, if I press key, the projectile is shooting 1. So each time when I press a mouse key, it shoot 1 projectile. So we want to shoot projectile in a loop. So in next lecture we will start implementing the loop functionality. See you in next lecture.